team, a man says he was drugged and duped by a pair of women. Tonight, police say
Mamma
she's
mia!
accused of a high-priced heist, taking off with more than $200,000 worth of jewelry.
And that Walter Morris has details from Miami.
I wasn't even there.
The woman accused of being a criminally bad date behind bars and going before a judge. Cops say Jacqueline Solis is half of this dangerous duo that robbed a Miami man at gunpoint, drugged him, and stole thousands of dollars in jewelry. That dangerous date happening here at the Mink condo September 14th. Cops say that's Solis and her accomplice seen here walking through the lobby with the victim after a long night out. Notice how one of the women uses her purse to block her face from the cameras. Police say not long after the three of them got off this elevator, one of the women tried to make that man take a drink, and when he refused, the arrest report states she then picked up the victim's handgun, which was sitting on the nightstand, points it at the victim, and demands that he take the shot.
Whoa.
Moments later, he sees the defendant enter the room and then he passes out.
Moments later, the same cameras catching the women leaving after police say they stole the victim's wallet, watch, and jewelry. But one wouldn't get far. Police arresting the 28-year-old Wednesday, catching her in a stolen car thanks to a Crime Stoppers tip.
There is no doubt that a jury would convict this person.
And Thursday, Solis biting her nails in bond court as her attorney tried to get her out, but no luck. The judge deciding this alleged black dress bandit will stay locked up.
Oh, it's no bond on count one.
And Solis is facing a long list of charges, including armed robbery with a deadly weapon and burglary. In Miami, Walter Morris, 7 days, 19.
Busted.